All right, guys, just got to the parking area, about to hit up NARNIA Falls. I've been seeing a lot of people in some videos have a hard time figuring out where to park and how to get directions to there. So basically, if you're on the corner of, I'll show you guys here, it's the street of Makana and Waianae, you should be able to see a parking spot right here, and then I'll show you guys how to get there from there. So if the parking spot is right here and you're at the corner right here, it would be your left that you would turn to start walking towards NARNIA. Okay, so then this is where you make your first turn. You'll make a left on an unnamed street. So make sure you guys remember that. But if you guys just keep going straight, it should be like your second left on this unnamed street. And you follow this up. So you will take, after that turn, you will take this road all the way up. And then you will see these signs eventually to know you're going the right way. You should not have made any turns except that left-hand turn that I told you. All right, so after passing those one-way signs, you should have kept going straight all the way up. And then once you get up, I'd say about a quarter of a mile, you should see these guys right here. And then you'll be officially to the first water tower. After you pass the water tower, you keep going straight and it will eventually lead you to a right-hand turn that I will update you on. Don't be alarmed when you see this gate right here. Just keep going straight. Don't turn right. Keep going straight through here. If you follow directions and kept going all the way straight, you should have made it to the second water tower. It'll be to your left-hand side, and we're gonna take a right up here. Okay, so after you pass the water tower, make your first right here. Don't go straight, don't go left, make a right. Make that right, you should see this, and you should go all the way down, little ways, and we're almost there. Just a really beautiful hike along the way, guys. You guys are really gonna enjoy this. Very jungly, Jurassic Park type, man. You guys are gonna love this. Here we go. We can hear and see water. Can you guys tell me this was not worth the hike? You got flows coming over here. Big one in the background. Wait till we get some of this. Okay, looks like we've come across a little bit of a problem here. Most of these videos I've been watching, that water right there was not running that hard. So it was real easy to walk across there, take a little foot trail to get over there. The only other way, because I have him, is we're gonna have to swim over there and probably die and get caught up in that. So hopefully everything goes all right. I'll keep you guys updated. All right, so we're gonna take the swim across so that we can go over there. We're not gonna risk walking over there. That water's running way too strong. So we'll let you know how it goes. Guys, our black asses took that swim across that thing. We getting to that fall.
That's cold water.
Walk across, there's a little foot trail. That should take you right up there. We have arrived at NARNIA Falls, baby. Okay, here's a little tip for you guys. If you guys want, you guys can just jump in from right here and swim all the way till you get over there. We're gonna decide to take this area over here and it leads you up all the way around so you can walk over there. All right, we have made it to the top. We're about to walk down there and hop in. There's the big waterfall in the back. Let's get it!
And he's gone. There he is.
All right, guys, just finished up with NARNIA Falls. Man, this place is as advertised. You're getting about 5 or 6 waterfalls in this area. Beautiful swimming area. I mean, the whole area is jungleless. Man, you guys are gonna love it if you guys come to this island. It was probably our highlight of our trip so far, and it was a secret place. Loving NARNIA Falls, guys. Give this place 10 out of 10. Make sure you check it out.